Okay, I'm out here working on John Deere 410 loader backhoe, and I had to pull out this shut-off valve in this elbow out of the bottom of the fuel tank because you can see that the handle's missing on shut-off valve, and I had to get this replaced so I can turn the fuel on and off. And can you believe that they're wanting $140 for this shut-off valve? So stay tuned. There's going to be a video coming up. I'm going to modify a handle onto this because the fitting is still good, and we're going to make it work. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll get it fixed.